Hello, Colorado Springs. My name is Joanna Smith, and I'm the owner of Prou Auto Spa Elite Auto Finishes. We are located right off I-25 and Garden of the Gods Road at North Park. Our building backs the freeway. Maybe you've seen a big sign, Prou Auto Spa. That's us. Today I wanted to talk to you about how to choose a paintless dent repair company that you can have confidence in. I frequently research my competitors in the area to see what they're doing, what I can do better. And in my research, I found that there's nearly 24 paintless dent repair companies in Colorado Springs. That wasn't really a surprise to me. They're all at varying levels of skill and professionalism, I guess I would say. Not to mention all the collision centers, national chain companies that you're probably familiar with that have multi-shop organizations all over town, and just mom and pop collision shops all over the place. So I don't even know how many that is, but you may be aware there's a dent repair companies everywhere in Colorado Springs. So I understand you have a choice of who to use for your hail damage repair. When you're looking for a company, there's a few things I want you to make sure that you're aware of. Go to their website, see if they have a website. Not all of my 20 or so paintless dent repair competitors even have websites. See if they're on social media. Are they active on social media? Just because someone has a listing that they're a dent repair company, but they haven't posted on their social media in a year or two, they're not really building a business. Go visit their shop, see what it looks like. Do they have certificates on the wall? Are they a PDR Nation certified shop? Are they members of the National Alliance of Paintless Dent Repair Technicians? Do they go to the trade shows throughout the year for our industry? Are they in the inner circles of people that are trying to lift our industry to new heights? Not all technicians are created equal. A lot of guys nowadays, they get into the hail industry with less than a year's experience. Now that's not to say that a technician that has 1 year experience is not as good as one that has 10. The technology that's available to new technicians is miles above what technicians had even 10 years ago. But see their work, see does the shop that they're working at back up their work. When you're picking your shop to go to, look for the things that are important to you. I would recommend that you shop local and stick with the local companies, but having said that, compare Prou Auto Spa against our competitors and see if they're offering the things that are important to you. If they have certifications, what does their showroom or shop look like? Is it clean? Do they have the proper insurance? If something happens to your car while it's in their care, do they have enough insurance to cover that? So Prou Auto Spa is your one-stop shop for all hail and paintless dent repair needs. Also detailing, ceramic coating, wheel repair, window tint, clear bra. The list goes on and on. Come by and see us and give us a try. We're conveniently located off I-25 on Garden of the Gods Road exit at North Park, 4710 North Park Drive, Suite 100. Come by and give us a visit.